Guys, we're gonna do another diss track with CJ today.
Yeah.
You gotta go get your hat.
You're wearing my hat. I'm giving you the Assassin's Creed hat.
I thought I had that. I don't need your. Oh, okay. Here you go.
Look at it. It's.
I'm pretty sure that one. I'm pretty sure that one's mine. Okay.
I gave you the Assassin's Creed hat.
All right, guys. We're gonna start the diss track. You know what to do. Let's get it. We're gonna be roasting Little Trap Dog.
What's his name?
Little Trap Dog.
Little Trap Dog. You might think they're cool and everything, but this is one.
This is
I know that you try to roast him, but you're not a good roast. And when you try to roast people, but that's no toaster.
Okay, well, listen, you tried to roast a boy Bucks and Albert. So, you know, you tried to roast Jake. Did you know you're gay? Hey, picking off the beat. Hey, Assassin's Creed. We better than you. Let's go too. You, Little Trap Dog, our fires, our bars, they're burning higher.
It's my turn to sing.
Through the fire. Let's go, CJ. This is your rap time.
You might think that you're cool and everything, guys, but you know that you're not cool. That's only why you try to roast him. He's cooler than you see. But you act like you need to pee in that video, yo.
Alright, listen. We going in hard. You ain't cool. We lit, bit. Hey, we go to school. Not really. You dropped out from first grade, kindergarten, cause you're suspect.
You don't know how to skate.
You don't know how to do anything a little bit.
You don't know how to skate or nothing.
Hope you see this little diss track.
You not even know how to shoot hoops.
Roasting you from the past.
You try to roast the funniest YouTuber, so this goes out to you. Hey.
We shouting out Bucks and Albert and Jake. You are freaking gay, not them, little babe. We rap all day, party all night, party day. Hey,
if you knew them in real life, they're the funniest people in the world. Now you do, cause your boy texted you. Oh, he is gay too.
Yeah. Why do you think we're making this diss track on you? You a piece of poo. Dude, you don't know how to roast. Go back to that roasting school. Whoa. Hey, we all know we're better. We all know Bucks is funny and scary.
They're funnier than you see. And you're like a piece of pee-pee.
Yeah, did you know that you're dumber than Jeffy? Dude, really? Your live streams, your dudes call you a pedo. Hey, happy birthday. I know you hate it. Wake up in a demonic dirty. Hey, look at us ready.
Than you dad, but just be like, ooh, this is just a dream. Oh, I like sucking boys' weenies.
Hey, you look like a dirty Pop-Tart. You look like you eat farts. Hey, you know I sling your girl my darts. Hey, you know my dart is a wiener. Hey, like wiener.
You know that I feel girl every night and every day. She be like, oh, I'm not my boyfriend anymore. You only want to looking fish, you know.
Bricks.
But, you're not that, you know.
Hey, yeah. Look, we fresh and all, but you ain't. You look like a 1938 pay. You a pedo, happy birthday. This is for our fans today. Nay, pay the price. You just got roasted, toasted. This is us. We out. We just roasted you.
Yeah, F you.
Little Trap Dog, F you.
No one will see you. No one will see you.
Alright, Little Trap Dog. That was for trying to roast Bucks, Albert, Jet, Poke, Paradox, and all of them. I hope you see this, because we will start a diss track, or we won't let you get away with diss tracking us back.
We won't let you do it, because we'll we'll just diss track you back.
Yeah,
And we'll hunt your ass down.
yeah, alright. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.